And it's nature's fury, not just here but everywhere. Massive cloudburst now from Kishtwar in Jammu Kashmir. 12 feared dead in Kishtwar cloudburst. The rescue team has been deployed at the cloudburst site. These are the visuals we are getting from the area in Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir, where a massive cloudburst has happened. 12 are feared dead in the landslide that has happened because of this particular cloudburst. This is the area of Chishoti in in Kishtwar district. It has triggered a landslide and it has also triggered panic amongst the locals, as 12 have died in Kishtwar. We're bringing you visuals from the site right now, and you can see how there is now damage on the road. There is a lot of water that is flowing down the mountain at the moment because of this cloudburst. Now, what we are being informed is that the administration has swung into action. The rescue team has been deployed at the cloudburst site, and people who are stuck on that route because of the cloudburst, because of the landslide, are being rescued. But there is information about 12 being feared dead because of this cloudburst. There is information about people being injured in this particular incident. Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister, has gone on social media to speak about this particular incident. He said that he's spoken to the DC in Kishtwar after receiving the urgent message from the local political leaders. What he has said is that there's been a massive cloudburst which could result in substantial casualty. This is the statement given by Dr. Jitendra Singh on social media, who has said that administration has swung into action on this incident. Damage evaluation, rescue and medical management arrangements are being made. This is the information being put out by Dr. Jitendra Singh. Sunil Ji Bhatt joins me on this story. Sunil Ji, what more do we know about this area? What do we have any updates on what has happened here?
Check. A major tragedy has struck the far-flung district of Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir. A cloudburst has occurred in the Padar subdivision, and as per the initial reports, 12 people have lost their lives while many others are injured.